Pop-up box, install error. Common reasons are as follows. 1. The app on the phone has been uninstalled. In this case, you need to reinstall the app on the phone to clone successfully. 2. Your multiple app is a cracked version, please re-download it through the official link. So far, our official latest download channel is only Google Store. Up to down. Telegram channel and Telegram group. 3. The app on the phone is 32-bit, but multiple app is 64-bit. You need to install a 32-bit auxiliary package. In this case, please join the official Telegram channel. We will release the 32-bit auxiliary package in the channel. Thank you for watching.